Hi, I'm Steve Wishaw at PICO. Historically, we've managed all of our quality concerns and issues directly in PICO using a pre-populated list of notes. Anything that we see inside of those quality notes are always managed inside of our build data tables, but we've introduced a new integration to Jira to be able to manage those external functions and quality issues and nonconformances that we see in external systems that you might already be using in your factory today. It's going to be through our same standard interface. In this case, we are going to be leaving a note indicating that we have an issue with our part. If we are assembling a wheel onto our bicycle, we are going to be saying that we're reporting a variety of issues. We can see that we have this pre-selected menu. These are going to be the scrap codes or nonconformance codes available at your facility that can be populating this menu. But if our wheel isn't seating in our bicycle properly in assembly, we can go ahead and select our pre-populated defects here. In this case, my wheel isn't seating in my bicycle properly because it's damaged. So I can say it's damaged and it's broken from our supplier. If we have any issues that we want to specifically call out a assembly, we can certainly do that and say that, yes, it's part of this problem. Or we can go back and say, no, it's not related to any of those bill of materials. It's actually part of that wheel that I'm trying to assemble. That's a different sub-assembly. If I can go ahead and continue here, I can have those optional issues or call-outs here as needed. In that case, I'm just going to say my wheel sub-assembly is what's causing my issue here, and that's going to be this part number. That's the material that's listed. From here, I can add additional defects, but we're pre-populating all of those quality concerns and issues. And as soon as I add my note, that's going to be created and sent to Jira. Now that's going to be a one-way directional push. So inside of my manufacturing epic, I can see that I have a nonconformance listed under my serial number here, that I have a misaligned wheel. I've got my damaged broken description here under the serial number of the bicycle I'm working on. So this is again a one-way push from PICO into Jira, but allows us to capture some of those nonconformances, and I can assign it to the relevant parties here and manage my quality tasks and issues outside of PICO in Jira in my ticketing system here. If you're interested in learning more, please feel free to visit picomes.com to find out more.